How to recover hacked Gmail account with phone number and email. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your preferred browser. Now, there simply search for Gmail recovery or Gmail help. Open Gmail help. Now, what you will have to do is go to fix a problem. Go to scan sign in to your Google account. Now here you will find an option of hacking or something like that. What you will have to do is select you think someone else is hacking your device or using your device and simply select the issues, what kind of issue you are facing. After that, what you will have to do is go to post to help community and write that you think that your Gmail is hacked but you do not have access to your phone number and email, and rest is on Gmail's customer support. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.